Hey, how's it going? Aaron Rennick here, Middale Public Schools. Today we're going to have a look inside Canvas and organizing your course navigation menu. First things first, my Middale people, make sure you're synced up in your Google Chrome. If you are, you should see the staff links folder right here. When you click on that, you've got a single sign-on into Canvas. So if you've got that, you're good to go. If not, make sure you're synced up on the right-hand side. This green icon should be over your email as long as it's your mid-del email. And then we're going to get into Canvas. So I'm going to go to staff links. Click on Canvas. Yours will go right in. I've got a couple of accounts, but all right. And then you're going to choose your course that you want to work in and organize your course navigation. So today I'm going to go to my sandbox, and we're going to talk about this navigation right here. Okay, so this far left navigation is global navigation. This one is pertaining to the particular course that you're working with. So for me right now, it's my sandbox. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to settings. And then yours will probably the first time come to course details. And then from there, we're going to choose this third tab here called navigation. So you can go ahead and click on that. And if you look, these names here that show up below that navigation tab should match that course navigation menu right there on the left. And now what we're going to do is just move what we don't want. So it's real important to keep home, announcements, Google Drive, grades, modules, and your syllabus. Everything else we don't want our students seeing for the most part, and then we'll keep our major apps. Simple way to move it down, whatever you don't want. So let's see, I'm going to move my Mastery Connect as an app, so we're going to keep that. But I don't need my students to see rubrics, so I'm simply going to grab it, and I'm just going to drag it down. And you notice the screen moves with it, and then it's dropped down below. You just do that for each of your ones that you want. So again, Big Ideas, Math, Will Lead, Renaissance Star, these are all apps that our students may use. They don't need to see assignments though, because you're going to send them through your modules. So we'll keep send assignments down, keep modules. We don't need collaborations, and so on and so forth. So once you have those pulled down out of the way, they don't need to see people or pages. Now, just because they don't see them doesn't mean they can't use them. So if you're going to assign a studio or like a media assignment, they'll have access to studio in that once it's assigned to them, but they don't need to see it on their menu because they're not going to use it unless you're assigning it. Outcomes. Once you have all that organized and moved down how you need, then let's put this in alphabetical order. Your home has to stay at the top, but beyond that, that's when we'll go in alphabetical order. So far, so good. And then you can just move them how you see fit and how you need. All right, and that is organizing your course navigation menu. We'll see you next time.